everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be tie-dyeing with a kit that I got at Target. I'm going to be doing a couple of shirts, and I don't know if I've ever tie-dyed anything before. Maybe at camp a long time ago. I mean, I am a child of the 80s, so it's totally possible, but if I did, I don't remember. So I'm using the kit that I got at Target. Before we get started, welcome. If you're new here, I'm Jess. If you've been here for a while, thank you so much for supporting my channel. I am really enjoying connecting with all of you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, definitely hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything, but it really helps my channel to grow. And definitely give this video a like if you enjoy it, and comment down below, have you ever tie-dyed? Let me know. So I'm going to be using this kit that I got at Target. I will link the kit below as well. It does come with one tank top, but it is on the smaller side, so just be warned, it's really a kit that's made for children, but you know. So anyway, here we go. Well, hello there. We are about to embark on an adventure. We are going to do the tie-dyeing with the little tie-dyeing kit I got. So luckily it gives full instructions because I would not have any clue how to do this. It also shows you 3 designs you can do. I kind of want one of them, so I have 2 tank tops. I have the one that came in the kit, which I think is supposed to be a kid's, but luckily it fits. And then I have the one that I bought specifically for this project. So this one, I kind of want it to be like just random patches, and I don't know how to do that, and it doesn't explain. And then this one, I think I'm gonna attempt the swirl that they do on there. So maybe I will look up how to do random spots. Hang on. All right, so the first step is to completely soak the shirts. So I'm going to do that, I believe, with cold water. Soak until it's completely wet, squeeze out as much water as possible, and then I have some stuff down to protect my work surface. Next, it says to mix the dye, like put the gloves on, mix the dye, but I feel like personally it makes more sense to prepare the shirts while I don't have gloves on, so I can like do what I want to do. So I'm gonna try to do this pinwheel thing by kind of like pinching, it says pinch the center of the shirt into a flat circle, of course, and then bind using 3 rubber bands. Easy peasy. That's gonna be so simple. All right, I'm gonna prepare the bands. There's lots of rubber bands in the kit as well, which is super nice. Oh wow. I wish, like, should I be doing something else? Should I do another one? Okay. All right, there it is. It seemed too easy. I feel like, okay. All right, the other one, I'm supposed to just kind of like crumple randomly. I don't know how that's gonna work out, but you know what? It's a $3 tank top. It's kind of fine. This one, I don't know. I kind of just did on an angle. I have no clue. No clue how that's gonna turn out. None whatsoever. All right, I'm doing one more. I hope I don't completely ruin this, but it was $5. Like, who cares, right? But I thought this tie-dye, wouldn't that be so cute? Shirt number 3 is ready. Oh boy, I'm so scared. All right, let's tilt you down so you can see the magic right as it happens. Okay, so putting the gloves on. Whoa, these are for small people. OMG. The kit is called Fashion Angels. Ooh, USA. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. Oh gosh. All right, we're in. All right, we are in. We need to do something with these somehow, some way. Fill. Okay. Oh my goodness. I already got some dye dust on the shirts. No big deal. We're fine. We're fine. All right, we're gonna start with this one because I'm gonna need the most dye. This doesn't seem like enough dye for all these shirts. Please hold. All right, it's kind of difficult to uncap them and it's making me mess. Oh gosh, okay, all right. Ugh. All right, here it goes. All right, so. This is so fun. I also really hope this is the front of the shirt because if that's the back, we're gonna be real sad. Okay, I just touched this because I was checking. Shoot. Oh my gosh, I'm pretty sure I didn't film any of that, but this is so much fun. You just like squirt the dye on. It's so great. I'm loving it. I'm feeling so creative. It's like my own little masterpiece. Jesterpiece. Oh my god, the orange is so cool. All right, so I did rainbow, rainbow, and then just yellow and blue. And then you flip it, and then you do the same thing on the back. yellow and blue on this one. I mean, they look pretty good. I don't know. That one could use a little love in there. I think they look pretty cool. Okay. So, place shirt in a plastic shopping bag, set aside for 4 hours. Keep gloves to rinse fabric later. For brighter colors, set aside overnight. Do I want them bright? I kind of want this tank top to not be as bright, but those two. I really don't know. All right. There she is. The egg is in the nest. Wonder. Great, now I'm getting dye on this bag. Gee whiz. Okay. Oh, I got some pink on it. Oh well. Okay, and then that one I'm definitely going overnight with. So I don't know why, but I feel compelled to use saran wrap. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm doing this. Okay, so this one we will see tomorrow. The other two will do like 4 to 6 hours. Now I have to get these gloves off and save them somehow. Ooh, but we also have a lot of dye right here. Okay. Peekaboo. We're gonna rinse this baby out, I think, right? All right, here we are in the kitchen sink.
Cute.
Hopefully. Yeah. So, are you ready for the big tie-dye reveal? I made 3 different tops. This is the one that came in the original package. It was supposed to be like a swirl design, but apparently I didn't put enough dye going through, which I was not aware of. So you can see there's like a lot of white spots. Then I made this little cropped tank top. This was just like, I did like a crumply thing, and I did it a little bit on an angle, so it's not meant to like be completely straight across. So you see kind of like, it's a little bit of an angle there. And the last, I did this cropped t-shirt, and that's blue and yellow. I love how that came out. It's so cute. So the only thing is, it said to leave it on longer if you wanted it darker. And it definitely looked darker when they were still wet. And once they dried, it came out a little bit lighter, but I don't know. It was really fun. It was really fun to do. So highly recommend trying out a tie-dye kit if you're interested. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe so you don't miss any videos in the future, and I will see you in the next video soon. Bye!